Good morning everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video on Shiba. Wanted to give you my thoughts. I mean, yesterday it actually some of my metrics that I use for trading and just analyzing the markets. Some of my metrics actually said that Shiba was one of the strongest cryptos. I personally don't know why, because overall we haven't been that strong. We've actually been quite bearish, and listen, I'll just be completely honest in this video, right? So if you want to watch someone that's going to tell you that Shiba is going to rally soon, it's a possibility, and we'll talk about that, but it's not most likely. All right, if you look at Shiba right now, what you can see is that basically I would say the last time we covered it, we were kind of consolidating in this region. And what I told you is we have to wait for a breakout. All right. And with that crash we had on Saturday, the second one, we actually failed to hold this consolidation. We got a bearish breakout, and now the trend is bearish. And that's in general what you should know, right? So obviously it's possible under under certain circumstances that trend will shift, all right, so that we will actually turn into some sort of an uptrend. That is a possibility, and we'll talk about that. But if you look at Shiba right now, it is still bearish, all right. So it's most likely we will actually drop down. We did get some recovery from Bitcoin over the course of last night, and right now you can also see that we're stronger than yesterday. Bitcoin is actually gaining some momentum. And so that is true, and that could lead to some more bullish momentum for Shiba as well. But if you look at Shiba Inu on its own right now, what you can see is that we have basically barely moved. Again, we actually gained some, like yesterday afternoon, we actually did gain some strong momentum here, right? So we actually had quite a lot of positions being opened right here. And that's probably the reason why my alerts gave up some good signals about Shiba. But you can also see that even though the momentum has gone up, in the second part of the day, we actually almost gave up all of those increases in momentum. So that was good. That was a good start of the day, but the day hasn't finished great. And right now you can see that overall the momentum is very neutral. So that means that Shiba has no momentum on its own. So then what's usually most likely is that it will follow the trend that we have. And the trend that we have is for sure a downtrend, all right? So what I think is most likely in that sense is that the main resistance level right now is the previous support level of the consolidation range between 2400 and 2500. It seems like we are forming some sort of a short-term bearish flag right here. So purely technically, most likely is that we'll test that level, maybe consolidate there for a little, but ultimately find resistance and drop back down to our main support level at 1800 and 1750. That's what I think is most likely. It's in line with the trend. It's also respecting all of the technicals, and it's also in line with the open interest we're seeing, for example. Now, like I said, Bitcoin, opposed to Shiba Inu, has actually gained some momentum, and it's even still in some sort of an uptrend if you look at the open interest right here. And what does Shiba have that's interesting because of that's interesting for that reason is Shiba and all altcoins at this point of time are very correlated to Bitcoin, all right, for 96%. So what that means is that if Bitcoin actually continues this and can break above 65,000, then Shiba has the potential to break above its main resistance level at 2450. Let's keep it at that. Break above that and rally back up to at least 2750. So that is a possibility. We can actually rally, we can break out, but it fully depends on Bitcoin. There's no value, I think, in watching Shiba for that, all right? So yeah, that's ending the video on a positive note. Like I said, I would be prepared most for a continued bearish pressure, but definitely keep your eyes on that level and know that scenario and know that possibility. For now, that's what I think you need to know. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.